Welcome to the before stage of your property transformation journey. Here, we present a snapshot of a disorganized, cluttered home that was once managed by an overwhelmed Airbnb host. This image portrays a space filled with untidy beds, scattered belongings, and an overall lack of order. Managing an Airbnb property single-handedly can be a challenging task, often leaving hosts feeling overwhelmed and struggling to maintain a pleasant environment for their guests. Witness the remarkable transformation that occurred when CTHA stepped in to manage this property. With our expertise and dedication, we have turned this disorganized dwelling into an inviting space. Every corner now has a sense of order and cleanliness, creating an environment that guests will truly appreciate. From the meticulous bed making to decluttering surfaces and arranging belongings, our team has worked diligently to ensure a seamless transition from chaos to calm. CTHA, we understand the challenges of managing your Airbnb property all on your own. We want our hosts to have the benefits of experiencing the hosting process without the stress and chaos. Let CTHA be your partner and we can help you manage your Airbnb property.